how many affiliate videos or affiliates does it take in order to start getting traction with your sales?
That is the $1 million question. I've seen products take hundreds. I've seen products take thousands. I've seen products take 100.
Mm.
So, but a lot of people think that, and this is a very common misconception. Let's say I have a TikTok account and I'm posting every day, and I didn't get any viral videos in the first 100 posts that I did. It's extremely common, by the way.
Mm.
Now, I would be lucky to have a video go viral in my first 100 videos that I posted. I would be lucky. That would be like, wow.
All right, so my name is Ernesto. I am the VP of Sales at Bullseye Sellers. We are a Amazon, TikTok shop, and D2C agency, and we handle over $250 million in annual sales between all of our clients. And Michael here is one of our master account managers. Michael, why don't you tell them about yourself?
Sure. Yeah. Thanks, Ernesto. My name is Michael. I've been selling on e-commerce since 2013, so 12 years now. I started my journey on Amazon. I've sold hundreds of millions on Amazon, and probably a little over, I think about over 300 million now in total since 2013. And between myself or joint accounts or ownerships, or accounts that I've managed. And I got a TikTok shop in 2024 and started going all in on it just because I saw where the e-commerce trends were going. Before, even in 2023 and 2022, I've gone viral on TikTok with some of my products with collaborations I did, and I saw the impact of it. So once
This was
TikTok
before
Shop came out,
this was before TikTok.
before TikTok Shop, a lot of my products went viral on TikTok. So I had some videos that got over 6 million views, just a video about my product. I did a lot of. I mean, sometimes I had a budget of $15,000 a month just for influencers on TikTok.
Amazing.
So I knew the power of it. So obviously, when TikTok Shop came out, I was literally jumping up and down like a little girl to jumping at the opportunity.
Amazing. Yeah, TikTok is where to be. So today we're going to talk about TikTok. And my first question is kind of an open question. What do brands need to do to make it a successful TikTok launch? Let's talk about the initial steps on making TikTok shop successful.
For sure. So once you're set up and you've gone through the legal rigmarole with TikTok and your shop is up and running, your products are listed, first and foremost, like have a good product listing, like anybody, like any e-commerce. In TikTok, it's the Wild West. You can put a lot of banners, a lot of crazy stuff on your main image. You don't have to just do a plain white background. So, first and foremost, look at what's trending, look at what's hot, make a good main image, make a good listing, make your points and your bullet points and all the parts of your listing based on what is already viral, what's already hitting TikTok. So second, and this is what a lot of people misunderstand, this is working with affiliates. And affiliates in general you're going to start a new TikTok shop. You're going to have you can get a lot of collaborations with a lot of affiliates. And these are not influencers. People mistake these people for like, oh, we want their content to be really controlled like an influencer. Like, no, these are people that are posting on their own TikTok accounts attempting to make sales and commission. So it is very similar to having an MLM type business structure to where your sales reps are going to say whatever they're going to say, but these are not connected to your company in any way, right? The only thing is they have a shoppable link connected to your product, but this is an army of people that are just advocating for your product or your brand. And just like I would never say no to someone posting about one of my products on their TikTok profile and go, oh no, you can't post about my product. I'm like, what kind of company would I be running if I said, no, you can't talk about me, right? So this is all people are doing is just talking about you, right? And some of them do it really well, and some of them do it really poorly.
Now
Like they have no idea how
they
to
only
talk.
make money if they make sales. So they're gonna try. They're not just doing it to get a free product. They're doing it to try to make money.
Yeah, a lot of people think that affiliates are just trying to get free product, and that's not why they signed up. Like that's not why they're there. They're not just there to get free product. Honestly, if you saw an affiliate account before, and if you see how many collaboration requests they get, even on a very low level affiliate account, I'm talking they did like $100 in sales over the last 30 days. They'll have probably opportunities to get 30 free products a month.
Mm.
Like they're just at a certain point, you have so many products as an affiliate to choose from. You're not just getting free product. That's not why you're there. Like, you don't care. There's so many products that'll give you free product. In fact, you can make your house into a hoarder house if you were literally just accept every single free product that came your way on TikTok Shop.
I,
You will just have a house full of trash of products that people are trying to sell, right?
yeah.
And so they're selective. Like, they do products that they think they can make a decent video on. That's the truth.
Now here's a very important question. So, how many affiliate videos or affiliates does it take in order to start getting traction with your sales?
That is the $1 million question. I've seen products take hundreds. I've seen products take thousands. I've seen products take 100.
Mm.
So, but a lot of people think that, and this is a very common misconception. Let's say I have a TikTok account and I'm posting every day, and I didn't get any viral videos in the first 100 posts that I did. It's extremely common, by the way. Now, I would be lucky to have a video go viral in my first 100 videos that I posted. I would be lucky. That would be like, wow, I did it. Like, I went viral in my first 100 videos, right? And yeah, some people do go viral earlier. A lot of people will be posting for an entire year every day and still not go viral,
Mm.
right? And that's equal to like 400 videos. Some people post 3 times a day. So think of it like that. And think of that now on a product basis. Because if I'm posting my own account, I'm posting 150 videos about just everyday content, not trying to sell a product. Now take that and you try to sell a product, right? So it's a little harder. Like, it's a little slower. A lot of these guys, a lot of the affiliates don't make, they don't have a $10,000 budget for their video, right? So to make some crazy, wacky video that's super cool, which also may not go viral. So think of it in terms of, it's a numbers game, and you have to think big and think in orders of magnitude. If you want your product to be seeded throughout all of TikTok, look how big that platform is. Look how many millions of videos come through every hour, right? And if you want your product to have traction, don't think in terms of 100. Think in terms of thousands, right? Thousands is where you are starting to grow a brand, So a lot of people go, "Oh, I have 50 videos posted, I have 100 videos posted, or on a product." I'm like, what makes you so special that you think you're going to go viral with 50 or 100 videos? Like, is your product like a new invention from outer space that like, what's so cool about it? Like, if you really patented a really crazy product, maybe you might go viral before 100 videos. Maybe. Still doubtful, but maybe.
Now,
Right?
now
So
there's a
if you have a
difference.
helpful product, then
So,
go ahead.
this opened the question. You're talking about virality. Now, what about if you do 1,000 videos, none of them go viral, but you have 20 of them that are actually converting into sales and giving you sales? Are you able to scale that, or you are just looking for the viral video in order to make money on TikTok?
Well, I don't think it's, let's redefine viral, right? It's a video that TikTok pushes, right? So I've seen videos stop at 40K views. Like, they're just no longer continuing, right? I've seen videos stop at 20K. I've seen videos stop at 90K views. That's not viral, right? What's viral, what I would call viral, is a video that continues to scale throughout time and it doesn't stop. So one of those videos. So that means it has,
Got it.
well, let's call it instead viral potential, right? So I'm going to use the term viral very loosely here, but let's say it's continuously moving toward 1 million views or more.
Okay.
And it's not stopping or cutting off, right? So now with ads, you're advertising the video, of course, but it's not stopping. So to get one of those videos where that just takes off like that and continues to perform, we'll call it loosely a viral potential video or a viral video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, getting one of those may take a long time. It's a matter of, and this is what you have to think of it like, it's a matter of the right affiliate posting the right content at the exact right time.
Okay.
You will get it. You always will. It's a matter of time. Now, if you're already at 1,000 videos, you haven't gotten it yet, right? So one of your videos will take off. They will, but you haven't gotten it yet. So keep going, keep sampling your product. Now, the only way you're never going to have that kind of video take off is if you stop because you tried 1,000 videos, nothing worked.
So you gotta keep going,
right?
keep on going, and keep on testing. How do you choose your affiliates? Because there's hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of affiliates. So how do you pick your affiliates to increase the chances of going viral?
Also a very good question. So I actually nowadays I've picked my affiliates 13 different ways, or 15 or 100 different ways at this point, right? But testing each one. I pick affiliates that will talk to me.
Get involved with the brand.
That exactly. Honestly, I don't care. Like if they have great GMV, that's fantastic. If they have, high post rates, there's GMV, there's post rates, there's followers, there's so many criteria you can look at for each affiliate. I've improved affiliates with a 3% post rate because they promised me they'll do a video. And they're really engaged with me. And I'm like, they're really like, okay, and I send them the brief and I'm like, I want you to try a video like this. And they're like, I'll try that for you. And I'm like, I don't care what your previous metrics were. And I've had affiliates with 150K monthly GMV, zero sales from them, right?
Wow.
And they posted their video, lo and behold, nothing happened. So I'm like, it doesn't make a difference whether they have 150K GMV or they probably have an idea of what quality video looks like. But all I really care about is that they're going to continue to try until they have success.
Yeah.
Because I can pretty much guarantee you that most of them won't. Even the high level guys are not going to have success the first time. Maybe not even the second time. They might start getting success on the 8th or 9th or 10th video. Like very common. Like because and that's the way the TikTok system works. If they're continuously posting about one product, and that's where most affiliates make their mistake. They try one video, and that's not what TikTok favors, right? That TikTok does not favor the one video. Oh, it didn't work. Next product. And they keep doing it. And these affiliates aren't making any commission because they didn't really try. Like, of course, you're going to fail in your first video. It's your first video on this product that you got for the first time. Why would you think your first video will go viral? Like, you might need to try 20 times and try different ways and angles and look at the hook and the information on the product and really think about it for a second, and then try again. Those affiliates I want. Otherwise, the rest are most likely going to fail.
Well, I think people are also used to the traditional way of working with affiliates or influencers. In this case, would be influencers where they have 800,000 followers on YouTube or 2.2 million followers on Instagram, where no matter what they post, they're going to get 100,000 views as a minimum, right? Because they already have the following. But TikTok doesn't work this way.
No, I mean, you do get creators. There are, the exception of this rule is you do get creators that do actually have, like, every video they have gets views. Like, there's an average view rate you can see, right? And so you're not going to start up a new shop with getting a lot of those guys. Like, the high tier creators will be considered guys with high average views. So they're going to post a video and it's going to get a lot of views and you could probably advertise it. Now, I've also had videos that have gotten a lot of views, but no sales.
Okay.
That is different. So if a video goes viral about a product, like I had a video that got like 100K views. It was on this like matcha product. And it was just showing like that they like matcha, but it didn't sell the specific matcha. So it got all these views, but it didn't sell the product. So that doesn't do anything for you. Like getting 100,000 views and doesn't sell anything as another type of video that you can do, but it doesn't result in any benefit, right? So now that means, when you're working with a high view, when you get to that point, we're working with average high view affiliates and all their videos get 20K views or 30 or 50K or 100K, whatever it is. You have to really they have to think about their content to sell the product. That's different than just talking about something, right?
Yeah,
So now I want to see if they talk to me.
Yeah.
So again, it comes down to, are they going to talk to me, right? Are they going to collab with me? Or are they just going to take my product and make a video?
Yeah, no, that's great. That's a great tip. One final question. Here's another $1 million question. And we can wrap it up with this. So once you work with 10, 20, 50, 100, 1,000 affiliates, what do you do with them after they posted the video? Do you forget about them or what do you do?
Yeah, that's a good question too. So these are connected creators. That's what they're called. They're connected to your shop. Now, connected creators you basically can talk to all the time. Like brands don't realize this, that they're actually your community. Those are your people. And now you can annoy the shit out of them and constantly ding them and constantly ping them and constantly get in there and say, hey, can you try this? Hey, can you try this? Hey, can you try this? And so that's where, if you have 1,000 creators connected to your account, that's power. People don't realize that's 1,000 people that can constantly post over and over again. Now, a lot of them won't, but you can annoy the hell out of them until they do. You don't have to give them samples anymore. You can give them, you have one product that you gave them, say, keep the product. You're going to keep reposting, keep trying, and you can have unlimited messaging to them. You can just literally just keep dinging them over and over again. And then now 10% of them will actually continue to post videos. That's 100 people continuously posting, right? And the rest, sometimes we've had people that just won't respond, and then they'll come back and post again after 2 or 3 weeks. We had a person that literally did not post again or do anything, and they were just quiet. They weren't answering our DMs, and they finally were like, they saw our messages and like, fine, and they posted a bunch of videos and one went viral, right? And they were so excited about it. But we had to stay on their ass to get them to do it. And because they just wouldn't do it on their own, right? They weren't motivated. And they saw that we had a million DMs from us like, hey, try again. Here's some more data about the product. Here's some more video content types you can post. Keep trying. You could do this. Motivate, right? Oh, we have a new game. If you make 10,000 GMV, we'll give you a $5 bonus, right? Like whatever we can get them motivated with. They're very like a lot of them get very defeated and unmotivated. So it's like an email list, like an SMS list. These are lists that this is a list that you have. Very valuable lists, but you have to know what to do with it. If you have an email list, but you don't email market, you're not going to get any sales from the email list, right? That's how that works.
You want to stay in communication with them, and then about 10% of them will keep posting more than once.
Yeah, like I have a product that I haven't even given away a sample for in a while, and I'm still getting like 4 or 5 videos a day posted. It's got 1,000 creators. I literally stopped sampling it because I'm still testing a bunch of stuff on it, different angles. But that's another option. Like there's 2 paths, right? Continuously getting your affiliates to repost. And trying new angles and new paths, but also like getting the right affiliate. And the right affiliate could be 1 in 10,000. That right affiliate, the right time, the right place. It could be 1 in 10,000. Like, or more like 1 in 5,000, or more one in 1,000, right? But there is that 1 in 1,000 guy out there that will post something that'll be a unicorn video that will take off.
Yeah, awesome. This is really amazing. TikTok Shop is so new, so I know you're managing multiple accounts, and this definitely helps. If anybody wants to have a meeting or a consultation with you, they can just go to you can either email Michael at bullseyesellers.com or go to bullseyesellers.com, book a call, and just put on the notes that you want to meet with Michael, and then I'll make sure that Michael is in that call. But Michael, thank you very much. We'll keep creating more content, educational content. And thanks for all your very valuable information.
Of course. Pleasure.